recycling always, just handling the waste plastic. The waste plastics always, contain, the additives or maybe some, some plasticization. So all of these, additives maybe have the smell. So it's very important, to treat the smell, to deodor the smell after, the pelletizing, after the granulation. Therefore, today I will just introduce this. We call this deodoring system, or we call it refresher. Actually, this device or this solution is like a cooperation with the Cuban Italy. So the control system, like this one, yeah, this cabinet, the control system is originally from Cuban. And we just, we have like, 6 probe sensor, smell sensor, just to monitor, the condition or the smell, smell condition, and based on this data, then we decide, how long time and how long time and how to, to remove the smell. And this one is very suitable, for the customer, for example, for the automotive, customer, or for, the food grade, RHDPE, RPP. So this kind of, if, they have the request, demand to remove the smell, then this is the solution for that.